It's like a mirror. It will probably never be this clean again. It's like a mirror. It will probably never be this clean again.
Might be nicer if it was like a brushed stainless steel than
Like,
then we wouldn't have to worry about fingerprints and smudges and stuff.
yeah. I'm like, oh no. Oh, that doesn't go in there. That's gonna go in here.
Yep.
Alright, so we got our little handle on. We got our base on. We're gonna put the spigot in here. We gotta prime our filters. And then we'll attach them into here. So you can actually put 8 filters in. We only have 2. So wherever there's not a filter, we're gonna put little plugs in so that you don't just have extra water just draining through, because that kind of defeats the whole purpose. If I remember on our other Berkey, I think this one went on the inside and it went like that. I don't know. Someone ripped through the picture.
Who would do that?
I don't know. Oh, okay. Yes, so it does go towards the container, but on the outside. Ooh, there it goes. Oh no.
I'd put them opposite of each other because
Well-
it balances the weight a little bit more.
Okay, but if we're thinking about over time buying several of them and then adding them as we go, and then we want to replace them, we might want them in some sort of order so we know which ones are got.
Okay. Sold.
So do we know what comes next? Do I like fill this up with water a few times?
I think they're primed now. We can start using it.
Okay. Except we need to put those little white things in.
Yeah.
Then we need to fill this probably before they start drying out.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're just separating the little washers, the little rubber gaskets. And we're plugging up all the other holes. Okay.
All right. We got a water filter. Do we want to fill this up here and carry it all the way over, or do we want to fill up like a bucket with a handle or something and bring that over?
Okay, we can do that.
Okay.
Don't worry, I got it.
Okay, good.
Alright, so we got our Berkey water filter. You can hear it. Sounds like it's filtering really fast. Did I put it in right there? Looks good. The last Berkey we got was a Berkey Light. So it was smaller and we had it for years and years, so our filters filter a lot more slowly than what I'm carrying now. They're new. We're excited because it doesn't take any energy or anything for it to work. You just fill it in the top, gravity pulls the water to the bottom. You have filtered water, so we're excited to have that as part of our bunker family.
And we don't have to buy bottled water anymore.
Yes, which is very heavy and hard to bring downstairs, and